valve. I'm not going to use that, but that one is good. I explained earlier. Yes, it's corroded, it's rusty. I sandblasted it and it is all pitting there. It's not good. That one is good, that one is not good. Also here, look, this one is not for use. The service there is okay, but that one, you don't want to have that. That's a normal valve. So, simple way of cleaning. If you can't sandblast them, let's try this. It doesn't have to be perfect. When it is clean, it is clean. It's nice. And now there's the tool I need. It's shiny enough. There's nothing wrong with it. What I'm trying to do is not to hit this. Oh fucking hell, it's hot. Not to hit the surface where the valve closes in the cylinder head on the valve seat. I'm only trying to clear out this surface because the air is flowing like that, and this surface here, the small surface area about 2–2.5 mil wide, is what I'm going to need. That has to be flat, but the edge therefore and behind it, that's what I want to touch. The other side of the valve you can clean it off, that's no problem. This edge has to be there. The rounding of it, that's fine. I also explained when there is a hole there, a small gap, you grind it off with a grinding stone. I sandblast them, but if you don't have the tools, it takes a lot of time. But please, the sandpaper can do a lot of it for you. Yes. It's not perfect, but it's still better than what it was, because there was really a big dent in it. So that's better. Remember, it's very hard material. It takes some time. So this valve is ready. I'm doing another one. I'm not going to film all those valves, but this one is sandblasted. It's an intake valve. Looks very nice. And when you start, you see a sharp edge there and there. I put it in the drilling machine. In Holland we can buy it by the Action Acetion. And it will do a lot and very fast. Yes, you can see almost a little bit of shiny surface. So, but I like to prefer to start with waterproof abrasive material, sanding paper. Can be very hot. Use a little bit of oil, no problem. It's a little bit greasy. Oh fuck it. Tearing hate. So, let me explain something. Those valves are very rough made by Honda, so the surface area is not always very nice to get it shiny. So, if you can't get it shiny, don't worry about it. You can see on the surface on this valve there is always it's not a flat surface. How do I say that? They are good valves, but they are roughly made by Honda. But this is okay for me. This is what I'm going to use. Let's do another one. Also an intake valve. You can see there is an edge inside, because I think those valves are made of two materials and they are heated and welded together on a way. It's not one piece. This iron here is very hard and this one is heat resistant. I do not know what they have done and how they have made it, but I think the valve is made out of two materials. It's getting hot. Oh, this one looks very nice, but still you see the material is rough. You can't get a glossy shine of it. Also there you see fabrications, roughness, and this was still hot. I don't know. Yeah, it's hot. So thanks for watching. I will do the other files now. Bye bye.